Uh, Hello, hello, hello. So, hello everyone. Today, uh, like uh, the past 2 days, I was sick, so I unable to upload videos. So today we are going to the solve the fourth question of the array. That is third maximum number. So if you have solved the first three questions by yourself, then it's okay. Otherwise, if you have any doubt in it, then you can follow the link that is provided in there in the Java under the Java and click that, and you will redirect to the video solution video, and you can watch that and understand the solution of it. Okay. Uh, but today we are going to solve the third maximum number problem. So Um, before this, there was a video I have uploaded, but there due to the technical issue that was like incomplete. So follow this video. I will delete that previous video. Okay. So to, we are going to solve this problem 414 third maximum number given in this. The question is the given an integer array nums. We have given a integer array that is nums and return the third distinct maximum number in the array. Then we have to return the third distinct number that is present in the array. If the third maximum number doesn't exist, if the third maximum number is not there in the array, then you have to return the maximum number. Okay, let's understand it through example. So here in the example 1, we have nums 3, 2, 1. The first maximum number is 3, the second maximum number is 2, and the third maximum number is 1. As we have third maximum number here, so we return the third maximum number, that is 1. Okay. In the example 2, there are two numbers 1, comma 2. We don't have third maximum number, so we'll return the maximum number. What is the maximum number? That is 2. Here. Here we have 2, 2, 3, 1. Okay. So the maximum number is 2. The second maximum number is the first maximum number is 3. The second maximum number is 2. The third distinct maximum number, as we have asked as in the question, it is asked us to find the third distinct maximum number. So we have to take distinct number. So as there is two twos, so we'll consider as a 1, and the first maximum number is 3, second maximum number is 2, and the third maximum number is 1, so we will return 1. Okay. Is this example, like, is the question is clear or not? Okay, if it is clear, then let's move to the solution. If you have an idea about it, then try it by yourself to solve it. Otherwise, I'm going with the solution. Okay, so here we have 3 comma 2 comma 1. So let's take an example, a different example. where like I have 1, 7, 8, minus 22, minus 25, and 15. Okay, so if we want to have a third maximum number, then what will be? 15 is the highest number here, then 8 is the second highest, and the 7 is the third highest. So answer will be 7. Okay, let's not make it 8. Let's make it 5. Okay, the first maximum number is 15, second maximum number is 7, and third maximum number is 5. The answer will be 5. Okay, so how to solve it? We can have a three variable which is like first maximum number, second maximum number, and third maximum number. So first maximum number, second maximum number, and third maximum number. Okay, first we initialize it with null. We'll have it null. So null means we have nothing. Okay, huh? And for iterate through every element. If we find like first thing, if we have only one number, that is 1, then we don't have third maximum number, right? So we return the maximum number. The maximum number will be 1. So in the initial case, everything will be null, right? So first we check the first. If the first number is null, then we just have to set for first maximum number is equal to 1. Okay. So like that, if we find f is equal to null, then we are going to assign the first num, as we are iterating over it. So I'm like num I. Okay. Hmm? If we find the first number null, then we'll simply assign the first number in it. Okay, and in the end of iteration, if we find third maximum number, then we'll return the third maximum number. If we don't have third maximum number, that means if the third maximum number is equal to null, then we'll return the first maximum number. Got it? So as it is first is equal to null, if the is this condition satisfies, then we'll assign the first maximum number is equal to num I. Okay, suppose as we iterate over here, as the first number is equal to 1 and the first number is null, so we will simply make it 1. Okay, let's iterate over the second. Here we find the 7, and the 7 is greater than first number, right? 7 is greater than first number. So what should be that? If I have 1 comma 7 only, huh? The first maximum number should be 7, and the second maximum number should be 1, and third will be null. As we find third is equal to null, so we have to return first, because if it in the question it is asked us to the if the third maximum number doesn't exist, we have to return first maximum number. So we return first maximum number, that is 7, right? So what is happening here? After iterating over first element to second element, what is happening? The 7 is coming to the first number, and in second maximum number, the 1 is coming. So it simply goes to the second, huh? And the first maximum number becomes 7. Okay. So what is happening? If for, num I is greater than uh, num sorry, not num, is greater than first number, then we just have to like we have first, if there is something in the first maximum number, we have to shift to the second number. That is because we are going to assign second maximum number to the first maximum number, and the first maximum number will be num psi. Okay, there can be another condition that suppose that will be like 1 comma 5 comma 7, right? So what should be the answer? Uh, okay, suppose not like this. Suppose we have 1 comma 5, then the first maximum number should be 5, the second maximum number should be 1, and the third maximum number should be null, right? uh, uh, if after that we get a 7, we get a 7 here, so what will happen? Like the first maximum number should be 7, the second maximum number should be 5, and the third maximum number should be 1. So what is happening? The second maximum number shifted to third, the first maximum number shifted to second, and the new number is assigned to the first, right? So the third maximum number is also assigned to the second. The second maximum number is shifted to the third, right? So we have to have another statement also, like that. Okay, like the third maximum number should be second, the second maximum number should be first, and the first should be assigned to num I. Okay, okay. Uh, it is a case where we find that if we get a maximum number, like we get a new number that is more than the first maximum number, there might be a chance that we get a equal number, right? Like if we have after that also we have a 7, does it matter? Like after we if we have 7, the maximum first maximum number will be 7, the second maximum number will be 5, and the third maximum number will be 1. Huh? That means if I find a number that is equal to the first maximum number, then we just have to continue the iteration. So that means if nums I equal to first number, then we have just have to continue. Okay, got it? So we have solved the case that where the first number is equal to null. We have solved the case where the uh, and the number that we encounter that is greater than the first number. We have solved the case where the number that we find is equal to the first maximum number. There is another case where the number is less than first maximum number. Okay, so after this case, there is another case that if the number is less than first maximum number, then in that case there is two another condition, that is the number can be greater than second maximum number, or the number might be greater than the third maximum number but smaller than the second maximum number, or the number is lesser than third maximum number. Okay, so so and there is another case that the second maximum number is null. So first case, if second maximum, yeah, after that here the condition is that num I is less than the first maximum number. Okay, okay. The second case, this after this, the second maximum number is equal to null. Then we have just have to simply add that s is equal to num psi. Let me explain it with an example. Like if there is a 7 comma 5. Okay, so when we encounter 7, the first maximum number is equal to 7, second null, null, third null. After this, what should be that? The first should be 7, the second should be 5, right? Here, just we have to edit it 5, right? Okay. There is another two case that if second maximum number is sorry nums that we encounter is greater than the second maximum number. So what will we do here? Okay, suppose we have after that, let's take this example only. Okay, uh, if we get after that 157, if we get 6 here, right? 6 here, then what we'll do? The answer should be like that. First maximum number is 7, the second maximum number is 6, the third maximum number is 5. So previously the second maximum number is 5. So 5 gets shifted to the third maximum number. So here it gets to this, and the second maximum number is changed to the current number. So here it will be like 6 and it is shifted to 5. So the third maximum number is becoming the second maximum number, and the second maximum number is becoming nums I. Okay. Hmm. So here we have solved an another case where if I have another 6, it doesn't matter. So we have to add that if nums, as we are finding the distinct. So if nums I is equal to second maximum number, then we just have to continue. Okay. From here, the case that we find, the number that we find is greater than second maximum number is solved. After that, there is a two possibilities that the third maximum number is null, and we find a number that is uh, smaller than second maximum number but greater than third maximum number, and um and there is another case where there is a third maximum number, and the number we encountered is uh, greater than third maximum number and smaller than second maximum number, and the another case where uh, a number we find that is smaller than the third maximum number, then we don't have to do anything, right? So we just have to continue, right? So if third maximum number is equal to null, then suppose we have 5, 4 and 3. The third here we have encountered till this. So the first maximum number should be 5, the second maximum number should be 4, and the third is equal to null, right? And as we find third maximum number is equal to null, after encountering different number in the third case, we just have to simply null we have to assign the third maximum number to the current number. So that is 3. So we have just have to make t is equal to nums I, and it is the case where we find that the second nums I is smaller than the second maximum number. Okay. Okay. If the third maximum number is greater than nums I, so what will be happen? The third max sorry, I did it wrong. If nums I that we encountered is greater than the third maximum number, then what will happen? We will just simply, if okay, if we have 2 here and we have updated it 2, huh? After that we encounter 3, then what will happen? The third maximum number will be shifted to 3, right? So here it also we will have nums I. And there is another case after that. If you find the nums I is lesser than third number, then we don't have to do anything. We have to just continue. Okay. Hope you have understood. So let's dry run it. Uh, let's make it like this. You have to copy and here paste. Okay. So according to our logic, the first thing we have to do is the first maximum number is null, second maximum number is null, and the third maximum number is null initially. Okay, and we have to iterate from left to right. So first we encounter 1. So as the first number is equal to null, as we write here, like uh, first number is equal to null, then we have to just simply assign the current number to the first number, right? First maximum number. So here it will become 1. Okay. After that, we have encountered a number that is greater than the first number, right? So for the greater than the first number, we just have to shift the assign the shift the second number to the third, first number to the second, and we have to assign the first maximum number as the current number. So it will shift downwards, so it will shift to here, so it will become 1, and here it is as it is null, so it doesn't matter to shift here, and it will become 5. Okay, so not 5, 7 you have encountered till this. Okay, next we will iterate over the 5, as 5 is lesser than the first number but greater than the uh, second number, so we'll encounter like it is lesser than the first number but greater than the second maximum number. So the third will be assigned like the second maximum number will be shifted to the third, and this second maximum number will be assigned as the current number. So the third maximum number will be assigned as a second maximum number. The second maximum number is assigned as the current number. Okay. Then after that we get a minus 22. Minus 22 is smaller than the all, like third maximum number. So we don't have to do anything, as we have, if we have lesser than the third maximum number, then we don't have to do anything. We'll iterate over it, and it is also smaller than the third maximum number, then we will iterate, and we get a 15 here. So here in 15 is greater than the first maximum number, so we'll update like we'll shift everything downward, as you have seen. So it will move here, it will move here, and the first maximum number will be here. So after that the first maximum number will be 15, second maximum number will be 7, and the third maximum number will be 1. Got it? And the answer will be the third maximum number, as the third maximum number is not null, so answer will be 1. So in the end, if third is not equal to null, huh, then we'll return third. If it is null, then we just have to return first maximum number. Okay, so let's have an example where we don't find third maximum number. So here let's take 1 comma 7, and here first we will initialize all the variable with null, and first we have encounter 1. So as first number is null, so it will 1. Second is maximum than the first, so we'll shift one, so it will be null only, but it will become 1 and it will become 7. Okay, so we have encountered this and the loop is over. Then as the third is equal to null, so we have to return the first, so return first, the answer will be 7. So it will be in the end after the loop, iteration of the loop. Did you get it? Try to convert it into the code by yourself. Pause the video. Try to do it by yourself. If you are not able to do it, then follow the code. Okay. So let's move to the code. Okay. First, we are assigning every variable with the null. So how can we do it in Java? In Java, we have a wrapper variable, wrapper class that can store null and integer. So we'll have integer here. So we are not going to do int. We are going to do integer. It is a wrapper class in Java for for the people who are following C++ or any other language which doesn't have wrapper class. Then you can what you can do, we can have a boolean value of every element, like there should be a uh, is first encounter, is second encounter, is third encounter, and input everything is equal to null. If you encountered a first variable, a first maximum number, then you have to just make it true. If the third is encountered, then you have to return the third, otherwise you have to return the first maximum number. Okay, so let's write the code. So integer, first maximum number is equal to null, second maximum number is equal to null, and third maximum number is equal to null. Okay, so first, second, and third is done. Okay, then we have to iterate over it. So int I, so let's make it I only, and nums. I have to iterate over it, or I can name it num. Okay. So what is the first condition here? The first condition is that if f is equal to null, if f equal to null, then we have to just simply make it f is equal to num, else if, okay, what is the second condition? That if num is greater than first, okay, then have to make it also num. So no, if the num that we encounter is greater than first, no, then first we have to make the third is equal to second, second is equal to first, and first is equal to num. Okay, and if num equal to first, then we have to continue. Okay, else if uh, why are we writing in else if? Because we want, if the condition satisfies, then we'll move to the next iteration. So I'm writing is in else if, so that uh, if one operation is done, then it move to the next iteration. It will not check if I have a num that is greater than first, that means it is greater than second and third also, right? So I don't want to write logic for the second and third also, so I'm writing like this. Okay, so it is solved for the first case. Then as we write as if, so it assume after if we if the operation is not executed in these three, that means automatically the num that we encountered is less than the first maximum number. So here we'll assign like that, like if s is equal to null, then we just have to make it num. Okay. Else if num is greater than the second one, then we have to assign second is equal to third is equal to second, and second is equal to num. Okay. Else if uh okay, this two is done, then if num equal to second, then we will to just continue. Okay. Else if uh, what we can do in the third one where the after this if any of the operation is not executed till this, then that means the number that we have encountered is smaller than the second maximum number, so we'll have the t equal to null then we'll assign it t is equal to num. Else uh, else if um, num is greater than the third, uh, then we'll assign it t is equal to num, right? Is equal to num, and then else if we don't have anything, then else continue. Okay, because if you don't if a number that is less than the third maximum number, then we have to just continue it. Okay, and after this function uh, if we get the third maximum number is not equal to null, then we have to return the third, otherwise we are going to return the first. Okay, so if t is not equal to null, then we have to return the third maximum number, else return first. Okay. I think it will get resolved. Every test case will passed. Okay, test case passed. To submit it. It is solved. Uh, we can simplify this code also. Like here we have write that like if s is equal, if any number that we find is equal to first or second or third, then we have just have to continue that, right? So what why can't we write it here also, like if first equal to num, or second equal to num, or third equal to num, it will make our code more readable, right? So do it like this. Okay, so we have to just delete that where we have make it equate. So wait, uh, 20. Okay, we don't have the third one, but and in the end, as we don't have anything uh, there, like as we have write that else is equal to continue, either it will, if we don't write that also, it will continue, so we don't have to write this also. Okay, it make our code little readable also. Okay, and as we have got that, like this operation and this operation is same, so if we get t is equal to null or num is greater than t, we are doing the same, so it's better to write like this. Got it. Okay, and like this, and then we have to submit it. Okay, what happened? Uh, what happened? Uh, there is a runtime error. Uh, okay. If it is if t is equal to null, so for the first it will be t is equal to 3, second s is equal to, okay. Then if it is true, then we'll assign it, right? So why the error is there? Okay, let's use this test case and run it. Hmm. Okay, okay, got it. Yeah, here, what is happening here, like, is that like, um, if the first, we can't do like this, as uh, as we have as the first number can be null, right? And we can't equate a null with any other, like we can't make it like that. Okay. Otherwise, we can use dot equals. I think it will help. Equal, because wrapper class have the dot equal methods. Hmm. Let's see if it works or not. Hmm. What is it? Oh, it's compilation error. Okay. Let's say integer equal method. Okay, equals. Okay, not equal, equals. Equals. Okay. Okay, got it. So we can't make it like that. Okay. Either we have to convert this num to um, okay. We either we have to convert this uh what what nums to integer and equate it, but we can't do this, like we'll do like this. Okay, my bad. uh but we can do this also. Okay, or t is greater than no. Okay, so mm, what happened? It came 0. Okay, let's check it again. If the first is equal to null, then first the num is assigned to the first one. If we encounter a number that is greater than first, then t is equal to second. Second, okay, that's it's correct. Okay. If num is equal to first, then we just have to continue. Else if s is equal to null, then we present the num s is equal to num. Else if the num that we have encountered is greater than s, then t is equal to s is equal to num, right? If num, then continue. Then either the t is equal to null or t is greater than num, then we are going to assign t is equal to num. It should be correct, but why it's not? Okay, 5 4 3 5 6 5 4 होना चाहिए. Okay, right. Is it due to this? Let's see. Is this test case here? Yeah. Okay, the video is well. Okay. Mm, okay, it is going well. It is running well, but okay. Why is that? We submit it. But it's the same, right? Either t is equal to null. If it is true, then t is equal to num. If it is not true, if the second one is true, then t is equal to num. It should work, but why it is not working? Did I write anything wrong there? Let's see. Okay, I'm writing in wrong way, right? That's why it's coming wrong. Okay, sorry. The num should be that we encounter should be greater than t. So okay, I'm thinking of something and writing of something. So that's why it's happening. Let's submit it. Live. Okay. So it is solved. I think you have understood the solution and you are able to have this logic. And if you anybody asks you this question, then you will able to answer it by yourself. So I hope you have understood. If you have any issue and any doubt, then you can comment down below. Ask your doubt. I will answer it to you. If you like this video, then please hit the like button. And if you want to support me and motivate me to make this kind of video more, then please subscribe me. And if you have any feedback about this video, then please let me know in the comments. So that's all. Let's meet you in the next video with the new question. Till now, bye.